today I am putting on this super soft black and white striped sweater. It's by Hell Bunny. I cannot stress how soft this thing is. It's super warm too, so definitely not a summer sweater. I went to put this fake leather skirt on, realized the tag was still on it. Then I got it zipped up, and then I realized that it was not the right direction. So from the back, it looked cute and it looked right, but then I realized where the tag was, it was actually meant to go sideways. So the slit was meant to go on the side. I also flipped it around to the front at some point, and it looked cute with the ruching on the front, so I think it can kind of be an all-way skirt. I got this skirt at Nordstrom Rack a while ago. So I'm just going to tuck my shirt into my skirt and then ruche up the skirt a little bit. Then I'm going to put on these bangles. I know it looks really aggressive, me putting them on, but it was really hot in my house when I was doing this, and my hands were super sweaty, so no wrists were harmed in the making of this, and that last one, I could not get it on my hand. My hands were too sweaty. So now I'm going to put on a few rings. I actually got this ring at a place called Lovisa in the mall. I like this place. They have a lot of like cool, interesting jewelry, and it's not super expensive. And then these earrings I actually got at a local thrift market. I have no idea what's going on over there. They're actually, I think they're handmade by somebody locally, but they have little paintings on them, and they're snakes, and the actual material itself is black, sparkly. So I don't know. I think they're cute. I think snakes are cute. These shoes, I cannot remember the brand off the top of my head. I will put all the brands and everything in the description below. I think I got them on Poshmark. I like them because they weirdly remind me of these like tap shoes that I used to wear in middle school. And they just give me those nostalgic vibes. They're actually more comfortable than they look, but something about patent leather, I just love it, especially with the faux leather. So this is the final look. Sorry my TV is on. I know that's super annoying, but I didn't realize it until after I filmed. And I had already changed my hair and makeup and changed into a different outfit. And it was way too late to go back. So please enjoy 90 Day Fiancé season 10 in the background of this video. Also, I love that the sweater can be worn with its sleeves up or down. I think if I wore the sleeves down though, I would probably wear it with pants. But anyways, I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you want to see more.